then indeed, Ikhwan, the topic of Christmas and the celebration of these festivities, the likes of these festivities, in order for us to understand the topic, first and foremost, it is first and most that we understand one or two of the principles related to the affair of celebrating festivities or joining in festivities generally. Generally, Ikhwan, there are a number of narrations and a number of ahadith that indicate that the origin, Ikhwan, in relation to the celebration of a festivity that is not present within the deen of Al-Islam is that the asl concerning the festivities of the non-Muslims is it is impermissible, Ikhwan, for us to resemble them and to join in with those festivities and with those celebrations. And that is on the basis of the statement of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Man tashabbaha biqawmin fahuwa minhum." Whosoever resembles the people, then he is from them. And our scholars have mentioned that the affair of resemblance is not that we have to be different to the kuffar in every single affair and to the non-Muslims in every single affair. Rather, it is that which is specific to the festivities and those things that are specific to them. Those things that are specific to them, rites, rituals, that which is those things that are held sacred, that return back to their religion and so on. Then these practices, it is impermissible, Ikhwan, for us to resemble them upon that. The Messenger of Allah, he mentioned, as we said, "Man tashabbaha biqawmin fahuwa minhum." And concerning that hadith, whomsoever resembles a people, then he is from them. Concerning the hadith, the Messenger in this hadith, Ikhwan, established a principle for the Muslimun. Imam al-Manawi, he mentions, وَقِيلَ الْمَعْنَى مَنْ تَشَبَّهَ بِالصَّالِحِينَ فَهُوَ مِنْ أَتْبَاعِهِمْ يُكْرِمُ كَمَا يُكْرَمُونَ أو يُكْرَمْ كَمَا يُكْرَمُونَ وَمَنْ تَشَبَّهَ بِالْفُسَّاقِ يُهَانٌ وَيَظَلْ كَهُمْ وَمَا وَضَعَ عَلَيْهِ عَلَامَةُ الشَّرَفِ أُكْرِمْ وَإِنْ لَمْ يَتَحَقَّقْ شَرَفَهُ. He mentions that some of the scholars, they hold that the meaning of this hadith, that whosoever resembles a people, then he is from them, that it carries the meaning that whosoever resembles the salihun, whomsoever resembles the righteous, then he is from their followers, and he is ennobled as they were ennobled. And whosoever resembles the fusaq, yani the evildoers and the wrongdoers, then he will be humiliated like them. And whosoever places upon himself alamat al-sharaf, yani or adorns himself with the signs of nobility, then he is ennobled.